Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I am Muhammad Shahid and today I will discuss the second lesson of HSk1 standard textbook. In this lesson, we will learn that how we are going to say thanks to someone in Chinese language. मेरा नाम मोहम्मद शाहिद है और आज के सबक में हम सीखेंगे कि हम चीनी ज़बान में किसी का शुक्रिया कैसे अदा करते हैं और उसका जवाब कैसे देते हैं। तो आखिर तक मेरे साथ इस वीडियो में बने रहिए और सीखिए आज का सबक। So in today's lesson, if you see over here, we have a word like this. The first word is having fourth tone and the second word is this. So it is having a fifth tone, a neutral tone, and it can be pronounced as 谢谢, 谢谢, thanks. And after we add this, 谢谢你, 谢谢你, thank you, thank you, आपका शुक्रिया. कैसे बोलेंगे हम कि शुक्रिया कैसे कहें चीनी ज़बान में? तो 谢谢你, 谢谢你. Okay, so two people are engaging in a dialogue, person A and person B, and they're saying something to each other. The first person, who is a man, is saying 谢谢 means thanks to the women, and women replies that 不谢, 不谢, 不谢. If we translate it literally, it means no. Pu means pu, pu. Here, there is a rule in Chinese language that when two fourth tone syllables are following one after another or following each other, then we change this first fourth tone into a second tone, which is a rising tone, and the second fourth tone remains at its own place. So 不谢, no thanks, no thanks. शुक्रिया कहने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये मैं ख़ुद खुशी से कर रही हूँ. Like she's helping, or if we consider the man is helping the women out, so we can say that the person A is the woman and the person B is the man, because she's trying to pick up that suitcase or whatever she's trying to hold, and the man is trying to help her in putting it in the car. So the man, the woman is saying thanks, and the man is smiling and he's saying that no thanks, like it means you're welcome, I'm doing it with my pleasure. Okay, so he's doing it with his pleasure, so he's literally saying no thanks, no thanks, शुक्रिया की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. And if here you see, we can see that the first is thank you and the second one is sure, means it's okay, it's okay. Okay, so like कोई बात नहीं, मैं खुशी से कर रहा हूँ ये. There is another word in Chinese language which is also used for saying, like if you are saying thanks to someone and they can use it, so I'll just try it for you, that word here. Just keep this in mind that the original tone of pu is fourth tone, but because of the rules it changes, so you have to keep that in mind. Okay, this is another word which I'm writing for you over here. This is 不用谢, 不用谢, 不用谢. No need to say thanks, don't use thanks. This is another word which can be used in response for saying thanks. So we have learned the word 不谢. So I have told you that if there are two four tone syllables and they are following each other like this, then the first fourth tone changes into this. So you just keep this rule in mind. Sometimes it applies into the written text, sometimes it doesn't, so you have to keep this in mind while speaking. 不谢, 不谢. Okay, so let's just proceed towards the next dialogue, and it is the same as this one, but they have just added ni in the dialogue just as the topic of the lesson. So it is 谢谢你, 谢谢你. So if we consider the first person, the older women, she is person A and another is a person B. So she is saying thanks for helping her out in bringing her the meal. खाना ला रही है, जो पर्सन बी है, जो औरत है, वो बूढ़ी औरत के लिए खाना ला रही है, जो बुज़ुर्ग खातून है, और उनको दे रही है. तो बुज़ुर्ग खातून उनका शुक्रिया अदा कर रही है, जिसके जवाब में वो कहती हैं, like the older women says 谢谢你, thanks or thank you to the younger women, and in response to which the younger women replies that 不客气 means you're welcome, don't mention it. You can see the translation over here कि कोई बात नहीं, खुश आमदीद, या ये मेरे लिए खुशी की बात है, मेरे लिए एज़ाज़ है कि मैं ये आपकी हेल्प कर रही हूँ. सो ये इस तरह हम बोलते हैं. एंड देन फाइनली वी कैन से दैट हाउ टू से गुड बाय इन चाइनीज़ लैंग्वेज. सो दिस इज़ 再见 मीन्स खुदा हाफिज़. जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं उर्दू ज़बान में जैसे हम बोलते हैं खुदा हाफिज़. सो it is goodbye, okay, or simply say bye. So the first person will say bye, okay, 再见, and the second person will reply the same 再见. So खुदा हाफिज़ जब एक शख्स बोलता है तो दूसरा शख्स भी वैसे ही बोलेगा 再见. So I am addressing you from the platform of Chinese Language Made Easy. I hope you would have liked this lesson. Keep subscribing, keep supporting Chinese Language Made Easy, and recommend this channel to your relatives and friends, and see you in the next interesting videos regarding Chinese language. Stay connected and stay healthy. Goodbye. 再见. Allah Hafiz.